Let these verses of peace bring you comfort and clarity. Philippians 4:6-7. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God. And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Isaiah 1:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. John 14:27. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give to you. Not as the world gives do I give to you. Let not your hearts be troubled, neither let them be afraid. Psalm 34:4. I sought the Lord, and he answered me. He delivered me from all my fears. Therefore do not worry about tomorrow. Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. Summary and application. Now, let me share something powerful with you. What if I told you that this very moment you have access to a peace that surpasses all understanding? Think about that phrase for a moment, peace that surpasses all understanding. This is a profound promise. When the storms of life rage around us, there exists a calm that defies logic, a strength that transcends our human limitations. You see, we often try to carry our burdens alone. We calculate, we plan, we worry, thinking that somehow our anxiety will solve our problems. But listen to this wisdom. Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. These aren't just words of blind optimism. They're an invitation to live fully in the present moment, to release the crushing weight of future concerns. But how? How do we find this peace? The answer lies in a simple yet revolutionary practice. In everything by prayer and supplication with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God. Notice the emphasis on thanksgiving. Even in our moments of deepest concern, we're called to maintain a heart of gratitude. This isn't denial of our problems. It's a powerful reframing of our perspective. Here's a truth that has echoed through generations. I sought the Lord, and he answered me. He delivered me from all my fears. This isn't just ancient history. It's a living testimony to the power of divine connection. When we feel weak, we're promised strength. When we feel lost, we're promised guidance. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. This is a foundation you can build your life upon. The peace being offered to you today isn't like the temporary relief the world offers. It's not dependent on your circumstances or your bank account or your social status. It's a peace that guards your heart and mind. A peace that stands firm when everything else is shaking. So I challenge you today, instead of letting anxiety be your compass, let peace be your guide. Instead of letting fear dictate your decisions, let faith shape your path. You are not alone in this journey. You are not fighting your battles in isolation. The same power that has sustained countless generations is available to you right now. Remember, every time worry knocks at your door, every time anxiety threatens to overwhelm you, you have a choice. You can choose to anchor yourself in a peace that surpasses understanding. You can choose to rest in the promise that you are held, supported, and loved by a power greater than any problem. Stand tall today, knowing that you are stronger than you think, more supported than you know, and more loved than you can imagine. Let peace be your portion. Let faith be your foundation, and let hope be your horizon. The peace you seek is within reach. The strength you need is available. The support you long for is present. Reach out, take hold, and let your heart be transformed by a peace that truly surpasses all understanding. May God's peace guard your hearts and minds today and always.